purpose? Are you a public official?
Of course I am.
So then do I have a First Amendment right to record you in the course of your duty?
Sure, but are you
Name and badge number, please?
Are you worried for your safety?
Of course. I got you two guys harassing me.
Just checking on your status, bro.
I saw when you made that U-turn. You think I'm going to let you guys fabricate some sort of moving violation when I'm there? I'm not smarter than that, man. Trust me. I never let that happen. You never get the upper hand on me. I'm not breaking the law. Can you name and badge number?
Right here on the highway. I didn't change it going down the highway.
Well, that was the complaint.
Where's the proof?
How would I know?
Show me the proof.
How would I know?
That's exactly right. How would you know? You've got nothing. Have a nice day.
You have to show proof
You got to say
that he
something.
did it on the
I
highway.
got video camera right there,
I know
and
you
we
got
can
a
go
video
as far
camera.
as you with this as you want to go.
I know you have video
There's
camera
nothing
right there.
wrong with the tag is visible and properly mounted. Have a nice day.
So why do you have a means to
No, I
switch
don't
it?
answer questions. Have a nice day.
Why have you got
Have
such
a
an
nice
attitude?
day. I'm not going to have an attitude when you pull me over for no reason. You stalk me in a parking lot.
No, he said that you asked the
So I got to record it right here. I got to record it right here. You can lie all you want. He can lie all he wants. But I told him.
I don't really care.
I know you don't care.
I'm doing my job.
Yeah, you can do your job. But your job really is inside, not outside of your property.
All of this is my job.
Really, the curb and everything?
Yeah.
Even the sidewalk?
Yeah.
You own the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Really?
That's my job.
You own the sidewalk? For real?
own it.
You really do? They own the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Holy shit. The only company in the U.S. to own the sidewalk.
Yeah, if you guys ever see something like that, take out your phone and start recording.
Alright guys, look at how she's terrified right now. She is crying and crying. This guy, this officer, undercover guy, treated her like if she's a criminal, like she just committed a crime, that she just murdered somebody. I caught him walking.
Because there is a complaint that's going on. Okay, we do need to ID everybody that's involved. At least you don't have to give me your ID. That's fine, but I just need your name.
No.
Okay.
I don't invoke my right to remain silent. If you want my identification, I'll give it under threat of arrest and duress.
Okay.
And that's it at this point, because I did nothing wrong.
Okay.
I haven't broken the law, and
You
I know,
haven't,
and I know I'm not required to give out ID unless I broke the law.
Okay. All right. Well, and I'll let you think that.
So make sure
Have you ever wondered, do I have to show ID to the police if I've done nothing wrong? In this compilation of 5 real encounters, we witness citizens asserting their constitutional rights during ID refusals, illegal stops, public photography, and traffic detentions. From Mullica Township, NJ to Norton, Virginia, officers confront citizens parked legally, filming in public easements, or questioned without reasonable suspicion. Topics covered include the Fourth Amendment, protection against unlawful searches, First Amendment right to record public officials, and the right to remain silent under the Fifth. Each case reveals tactics like intimidation, forced ID, or baseless detentions, and how citizens respond lawfully. This is not about resisting, it's about knowing your right. Subscribe to Mr. Right D Refusal for more breakdowns of real legal confrontations. Full credits to original auditors. Support them via links in the description.
You alright, my friend?
Yeah, I'm perfect, man.
I've been there for a long time. I saw a couple hours ago. I was like,
Yeah, I'm okay.
alright.
XCD B79 XCD. Holy shit.
Hey, sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hey, pretty good. We just got a call that you were out here. You've been out here for a little bit. You just hanging out, or what's going on?
Just minding my business.
Just minding my business.
Yep.
Just hanging out.
Yeah, not illegal, right?
Yeah, everything good then?
Everything's perfect.
Need anything from us?
Nope.
Okay.
Jesus. Oh, fucking. You trying to fucking harass me? I'm okay with that.
How are you, my man?
Yeah, what's up, man?
We just got a call, man. We're just seeing what's going on.
Am I
Parked
doing
out in
it?
front of people's houses
I wasn't in front of anyone's house.
for 3 hours. That's what the call it. Look, I'm just going off what they're telling us. You know what I'm saying?
Is it illegal to park on the side of a public street?
It's not, but people are just concerned.
Yeah, but it's not illegal.
I didn't say it was illegal. But
So
what is
then-
illegal is a tint that you got on your car.
What tint?
The tint.
I don't have any tint in this car.
What's the purpose of recording?
I don't have any tint. What do you mean, what's the purpose?
You're recording.
Are
We're
you
just checking on your
are you a
status,
public
bro.
official?
Like, of course I am.
So then, do I have a First Amendment right to record you in the course of your duty?
Sure, but are you
Name and badge number, please.
Are you worried for your safety?
Of course, I got you two guys harassing me.
Just checking on your status, bro.
I saw when you made that U-turn. You think I'm gonna let you guys fabricate some sort of moving violation when I'm there? I'm not smarter than that, man. Trust me. I never let that happen. You never get the upper hand on me. I'm not breaking the law. Can you name and badge number?
It's right here, bro.
How do you spell that? How do you pronounce that?
See it on the thing.
How do you pronounce it?
Put it right there.
I don't know how to pronounce it. I can't read.
Refusal.
Badge number?
245.
Are you, sir?
Right here.
How do you pronounce
252 is
that?
badge number.
I don't know how to read, sir.
You don't know how to pronounce walk? W-A-L-K?
Oh, that's what it says?
Okay.
I didn't know that, man. Thanks for pronouncing it for me.
Sure.
Yep.
You also don't have your seatbelt on. You have an ID?
I parked. I'm parked. I don't have to have my seatbelt on when I'm
You
parked.
have an ID on your seat?
For what?
I just need to see your ID.
Nope.
Yeah, you got
Nope.
tint, and we saw you driving.
I don't
over
have
the
any
vehicle.
tint.
All right, we can pull you out of the vehicle if you want.
You want to pull me out for what tint? What tint? Show me the tints. Show me the
Back
tints.
here.
That is legal in New
Maybe
Jersey.
you need to- Okay, you're good.
That is legal.
You got me on the
You
tint.
just
That's
threatened
good.
to
That's
pull me
good.
out of my car?
You're good.
Wait, you just
I'm
threatened to
asking
pull me
you
out of my
to step
car?
out. I'm just asking you to step out.
No. For what? This is not a traffic stop.
Okay, your tint's legal. That's fine. I didn't see
I didn't have any tints.
That's fine. The tint is legal on the front. That's fine.
I don't have any tints.
Okay,
You can't send me
I'm saying
tints legal when
it's
there's no
legal. You
tints.
don't have tint. Okay.
You just threatened to pull me out of the car. You
I
realize
didn't
you violated
say-
my rights. You're
I didn't
harassing me.
threaten you anything.
You did. You said we can pull you out of the car.
Well,
And you're
is that
trying to
your- why
violate
are
my
you not
Fourth
complying?
Amendment right by telling me to ID.
Do you have anything? What is
Okay?
the problem?
You are the problem. Why are you harassing me? What am I doing that's wrong?
What are you sitting out here for 3 hours for? We're
Is
just
that
asking.
illegal? Do I have to answer people and tell them why I'm sitting?
Listen.
I don't like this guy's approach. He just telling me he's going to pull me out of the car.
All I'm saying is, if you can just let us know why you're out here, we'll leave you
If you
alone.
think-
If you're
The
doing,
last thing I
you know
want
what
to
I'm
do.
saying?
The last thing I want to do is arrest you. Now, I don't want to do anything.
Arrest
with you.
me for
I don't
what?
want
What
anything
did
to
I
with
do
you.
that's illegal?
I want nothing to do with you.
If I don't give you ID, will you arrest me?
No.
If
I'm
I
not gonna-
don't
listen,
answer any
you can sit
questions,
here-
will you
listen,
arrest
can-
me?
Listen, you can sit here. I'm not going to do this. You can record all you want. I'm not going to do anything. You can sit here all you want. All right. You can sit here all you want. That's fine.
Well, listen, please don't harass me, okay? Because anything further is harassment.
Okay. Have a good night, sir.
All right, and I'll definitely file a lawsuit. You guys have a card number? Yeah. I'm trying to pull me out of the car. $379 p.m. $379 p.m. Yeah. Okay. Is there a reason why you don't feel safe with me stepping there?
I don't know what you have on you.
No weapons, none.
Okay, well, I don't know that.
Okay, no, I'm letting you know.
Yep.
Okay. Do you guys have a FOIA request also?
A what?
Public records request. Oprah.
Oprah?
Yes.
You have to get it in the
Records?
Yeah, and they're closed. Till
Okay.
Monday.
Till Monday? No problem. Thank you. Where do I submit this? Do I have to bring it back here?
I believe you could probably submit it online.
Okay.
I can write down an email address for you, or you can look it up online.
You know what? I'll bring it back.
Okay.
Shit, what was I gonna ask you? Do you want to see the video? Are you interested in seeing the video?
That's for IA.
Huh?
That's for IA.
Just your internal affairs?
Yeah.
Okay. And who's in internal affairs? Who can I come and speak with when I drop this off?
Sergeant O'Hara.
Sergeant O'Hara?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I be guaranteed I'm not going to be harassed when I leave this township? Because I'm going to leave here legally, drive legally. I don't want to be harassed by C-Walk or Refusal. Okay, that's harassment. I'm not doing anything illegal. I haven't done anything illegal from the start. Okay. So I don't want to be harassed. I just want to be left alone to go.
Okay. As long as you're abiding by the rules, yeah, no problems.
I don't want him to... Okay, good. I'll be recording this. Thank you.
In video 1, we saw 2 Mullica Township officers confront a man parked legally on a public street, demanding ID without reasonable suspicion, invoking an illegal pretext over window tint. The citizen lawfully refused under the 4th Amendment, asserting his right to remain silent and record. But what happens when confrontation shifts from ID refusal to public photography on a sidewalk? In the next video, watch as a citizen stands his ground while filming from a public easement, facing aggressive pushback and threats of arrest for simply using a camera.
Asking what the purpose of the stop here.
You want me to put his face on it?
Mm-hmm.
There's the number.
Hey, I'll let you know you're being video audio recorded.
I don't care. You got a driver's license registration with you?
Why would I care since I've got a camera on if you were video and audio recording? I'm just letting you know. No law against it.
No, sir. What was the purpose of the stop?
Well, I got a complaint on you for one, and the second thing is you did have a radar detector mounted in the window before you took it off.
That's not illegal to have it in the parking lot.
It is illegal in Virginia to have a radar detector mounted to the window.
Not in the parking lot.
What's he wanting with me?
They don't currently have one on duty. They have to call one out.
So how come I'm getting complaints that you can change your tags from Tennessee to California while you're going down the road?
I can't do nothing like that.
Well, that's the complaint I got.
Well, that's a false complaint.
Okay. Any reason somebody would say that?
You can't call in an anonymous call. That's just not right.
Well, that's the complaint I got.
Well, that's...
What's he doing looking in the vehicle anyways?
He can look anywhere he wants to.
He has to have a...
No, he does not.
He has to have paper before he
Anything
goes
that's in plain view.
Is there anything wrong with the vehicle now?
Well, I'll tell you in just a moment when I check your tags.
All right. I don't care.
Okay, there is a problem when you have the means to switch your tag going down the road. Why would you do that?
I'm not.
You have a California tag
underneath. Did you see me
it?
do it?
No, I did not.
Have a nice day.
Why do you have a means to do it on your vehicle?
There's nothing illegal about it. Done had it checked out by state troopers.
Well, it's illegal if you're changing it on the highway.
I didn't change it going down the highway.
Well, that was the complaint.
Where's the proof?
How would I know?
Show me the proof.
How would I know?
That's exactly right. How would you know? You've got nothing. Have a nice day.
You have to show proof
You got to have
that
something.
he did it on the highway.
I got video camera right there,
I know
and
you
we
got
can
a
go
video
as far
camera.
as you with this as you want to go.
I know you have video
There's
camera
nothing
right there.
wrong with the tag is visible and properly mounted. Have a nice day.
So why do you have a means to
No, I
switch
don't
it?
answer questions. Have a nice day.
Why have you got
Have a
such an
nice
attitude?
day. I'm not going to have an attitude when you pull me over for no reason. You stalked me in a parking lot up here and waited on me to come out of the store.
Yes, I did.
That is stalking.
No, that is
Yes,
not
sir, it
stalking.
You
is.
just admitted
Call
that
the
you were
dispatch, get a state trooper up here.
You just admitted
Call
you were
a state
stalking
trooper up here.
You
him.
can call a state trooper if you want.
Call a marshal up here.
You can call a marshal if you want. I don't care. Right
Well,
now, we're in
fine.
the city of Norton.
Well, that's fine.
Okay?
I have done nothing wrong.
I got a complaint that you're...
Your complaint is irrelevant.
Who filed
Your
a complaint?
complaint is irrelevant. Show me I got a right to face my accuser. Where they at?
Well, if they want to be here, I can get them here.
Get them here. I have done nothing wrong.
Okay.
Nothing wrong with my vehicle. It's perfectly legal. There's nothing in my dash, nothing wrong with my truck. It's a 2019, just bought it. Paid cash for it.
Okay.
And I have done nothing wrong.
Well, for some reason, somebody saw you switch that
Well, some
tag.
reason, that's their problem, not mine.
Okay. Well, I can tell you, if you switch it and we catch you, we'll tow
That's
the vehicle.
fine. You could do that.
Okay.
You can do
So,
that. But
you
as
tell-
of right this moment, you've got nothing.
You answer me one question.
I'll answer questions.
If you didn't switch it,
I don't
how would
answer
somebody
questions.
know that that was a California
I
tag on
do
the back of
not
this vehicle?
have to answer your questions.
So
Have a
you
nice day.
definitely
Who
had
filed
it
a
changed on the
complaint?
road.
Who
No,
filed a complaint?
How would I know to look?
He did not change
How
it.
would
I'm not
know to
here.
look? How would I know?
I'm
to
Why
not
look?
was you
here. I'm a
stopping me in the
witness.
parking lot?
Because I got a complaint. Don't
No,
you think
there's
it's
no
suspicious?
reason for stalking. You could have stopped me before I pulled out of the handicap zone.
No,
Okay?
I didn't have to.
You could have come to me without stalking me.
Yeah,
Yes, you
perfectly
could.
legal.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No,
it's not. I've got a
It's
damn charge in
illegal.
Virginia right now for stalking. Had to pay $2,500 to get out of it.
It's a little different.
And there's
for
a
us.
reason for my
No,
tag
it's
to be
not
the way it
different.
is.
Okay, and what is that reason?
That's
You
none
got
of
a
your
legitimate
business.
reason,
That's
fine.
none of your damn
You
business.
can't
what it
legally
is.
change that
I'm done
tag.
with this
Billy.
conversation. Have a nice day. I'm not answering more of your questions. You want to get sergeant up here or lieutenant? That's fine.
I am the ranking
Well,
officer.
well, give me another ranking
There
officer.
is no
There's
ranking
one,
officer.
There's one above you. I guarantee you.
Not
Who pays
working.
your paycheck?
Billy, don't
working
get
today.
upset.
I'm getting mad. I want my stuff back and I'm free to go.
But when I check and see if you can legally have a second tag on your vehicle, permanently mounted to
It's
your
not
vehicle,
Listen,
permanent. Is
he
it
has
visible?
not
No.
flipped
I'll
his
find out.
tag, sir. He has not flipped his tag.
Call the dispatch and get me a damn trooper up here. There's nothing wrong with the way the tag's mounted.
I don't even know the address of this place.
I don't know the name of it either. I'm not going to answer more of his damn questions. He's done with him. He write the damn ticket. I'll see you in court. I ain't done nothing wrong.
How much you want to bet that one of the nieces and stuff has been up here?
Exactly. My lawyer done looked at the tag, said it's perfectly legal.
Exactly, and you need to tell him that.
You got my card? You got his card?
I should hear somewheres.
I gave him the wrong license. I gave him my old license, I think. I got my Tennessee ones here. Them are my old CDLs, I think I gave him. He got me so damn stirred up. That's my regular driver's license.
You need to tell him that Nick told you that it was okay. He done checked him.
Russell County looked at him too. What was his name? Long?
Yeah. Officer Long. I don't have Nick's card in here. This is ridiculous. Who filed the complaint? I
That's
want
what
to
I want
know.
to know. I got a right to face the accuser. I told you they was up to something, didn't
I asked the other officer to come up here.
I? No, you.
I'm not getting out of the vehicle. Sir! Well, he won't even pay attention.
I think she wants you. Don't touch my truck. Hey, don't touch my truck unless you got a search warrant. Videotape this asshole touching my truck. Do not touch my vehicle. Unless you got a search warrant, do not touch my vehicle.
much you want to bet one of them daggone nieces were out here?
I about guarantee it. I about guarantee it.
Tell him I want to ask. Hey, can I ask you a question? He don't even want to look.
Ain't nothing he could do. I mean, it's legal.
I turned my camera back on. I turned my car back on. And stuff, so the camera's rolling. I have the receipt where we was in Walmart.
Tag is visible and properly mounted. There's nothing they can do. I've done looked at the laws. Done to ask the state trooper and the county cop. Officer Long looked at this in Russell County. If you want to give him a call.
I just spoke to the state trooper.
He says fine.
As suspicious as I am, but they can't find anything right off the top of their head to charge you with.
Exactly. Have a nice day.
Who was the person that called in a complaint?
You look at your Virginia state laws, you
but
cannot
you said
act.
that you
Hush. You cannot act on anonymous call.
Well, listen,
You cannot act on anonymous call.
I can act on a radar detector. Listen.
The radar detector is not mounted on a public highway.
Suspicion. A reasonable person would believe if it was mounted in the parking lot that when you entered the highway that it would still be mounted. All I have to stop you is reasonable suspicion.
So you're telling me that if I call in a suspicion and stuff, that somebody has to go into a home?
My attorney will be calling you guys Monday morning.
That's fine. Do what, honey?
So you're telling me if I call in a suspicious thing and
You
stuff,
can't
if I am suspicious of somebody and stuff doing something in their home, that you have a right to go in their home?
No, I do not. Vehicle does not have the same.
Do you have a right to touch my vehicle without search warrant? Y'all mess with my tag.
Y'all are free to go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Exactly, because
have a good day.
I know the law too.
Here, put my stuff back up. Do you get my license back?
Is he in there?
No, they're not.
I don't see him.
No, they're not.
I don't have your license. They were with your paperwork.
They're not here.
Well, they're there somewhere. You need
Well, apparently you might have dropped them.
I got them.
Okay.
Have a good day.
I want to know who's one. He has the right.
Call your dispatch and complain. And file a formal complaint against harassment.
What's his name? I want to know his name first of all.
I don't know what his name is.
In video 2, a citizen filming from a public easement is falsely accused of trespassing and threatened with arrest despite clearly staying on public ground. He invokes his First Amendment right to record and refuses unlawful detainment, exposing how vague claims are used to pressure compliance. But what happens when vague suspicion turns into a vehicle stop and stalking by police? In video 3, we move to Norton, Virginia, where a driver is stopped in a parking lot, harassed over a radar detector, and accused without evidence, leading to a powerful confrontation over search rights and due process.
Look at this, guys. Loader has the right of way. So even though you're crossing, right, they're saying the loader will have the right of way on an easement. Basically what they're saying is we will hit you with our trucks because we're irresponsible.
Taking pictures of the plant and stuff. What are you doing?
Taking pictures.
Yeah, but taking pictures of our plant. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what else to say, but taking pictures.
Pictures of what do you want pictures of? We'll help you. What do you want pictures of?
I just want to get whatever's in the public area.
Oh, public area. Who do you work for? A company here?
It's okay. I'd rather not say anything else.
Well, one, you can't go on our property if after you're going in.
I've never been on your property.
Okay, you wasn't over here?
In your property?
Yeah.
I was never in your property.
Okay. So you're not going to tell me what's going on?
I feel like I've already answered that question, but I think you're looking for something else. I don't know what answer to give you. Okay. So.
Can I ask you something? You filming it? You know that's illegal. Alright. Well, stop.
Didn't you just take a picture of me? That's hypocritical. That's funny, dude. You're funny, dude. I'm on your property? Where? This is your property? You know what an easement is? Do you know what an easement is? You don't know what a public easement is? No? Well, you might get educated today. You might get educated today. I'm not your slave. Sorry. I mean, I could. But you're telling me to do something, right? What did I tell you to do? What did I tell you? Wait. Hey, no. Asking is, hey, could you wait for the cops? You said wait for the cops. Yeah, that's a tell. That's not an ask. Wait for the cops. Did you go and they didn't educate you over the phone on what public easement is? Just be truthful to the cops when they show up. When?
You haven't signed on the property just now.
Just now?
Yeah.
All right, I'm now on the property. Do you know what an easement is?
You're not in a safe place either.
Do you know what an easement is? Your safety is not my concern. My safety is not your concern. No one's safety is anyone else's concerns. I'm not trying to be funny. I'm trying to be serious. Do you know what an easement is?
What are you doing out here? What's the point of you being here?
I've been taking photos. He said he's calling the cops, so I was waiting 10 minutes.
So what were you taking photos of? That's all we were wondering.
No, I told him.
Because
but I told him.
Coming in out of here, we gotta wonder what foot traffic is doing.
But I told him what I was doing.
Oh, he said you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
He said you didn't have to talk to him.
No, I didn't.
Oh, that's not what he said?
I told him, I said I'm out here taking pictures of what I can see in public.
No, he said that you asked him.
So I got to record it right here. I got to record it right here. You can lie all you want. He can lie all he wants. But I told him.
I don't really care.
I know you don't care.
I'm doing my job.
Yeah, you can do your job. But your job really is inside, not outside of your property.
All of this is my job.
Really? The curb and everything?
Yeah.
Even the sidewalk?
Yeah.
You own the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Really?
That's my job.
You own the sidewalk? For real?
I own it.
You really do? They own the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Holy shit. The only company in the U.S. to own the sidewalk.
You know, look at little viral videos, but it's not going to work today.
Yeah? What if the cops show up and try and do something crazy? That'd be hilarious, right? Yeah. If they show up, they probably won't. That guy, he was pretty cool. He actually let me take a picture. He stopped for me as well. Oh, here go South Lake PD. I can't go in there. What's wrong with you, dude? You're crazy.
Just asking you to go further off the road. That's all I'm trying to do.
You want me to move off the road a little bit? Sure, I'll do that for you.
Yeah, just so I can get off.
Yeah, come on.
Okay,
I'll
that's
move.
all I'm asking you.
Yeah, I'll move.
You move in the parking lot.
I can't go in their property. I can't do that.
I'm asking you to.
No. If they ask me to, then I'd go. I can't do that.
They're saying that you were just on their property.
No, I was there. I got it all recorded, man. Up and down.
Okay, now I have to look at it.
You want to look at my video?
I just got the phone with them, yeah.
Well, I've been up and down here. If they tell you otherwise, well, they can do a PPA.
Prove it to me,
Yeah, they can do a PPA, and I can go ahead and go to jail, and they can go ahead and release me.
We'll just stay here.
No, I was about to move so you can move your car.
No, that's cool.
You sure?
I mean, I asked you to go in the parking lot. You're not going.
Yeah, I'm not going to go in the parking lot because that's on their property.
Okay.
And he already said I'm not allowed on their property.
So I'll just block this.
Right.
Then. That's fine.
I mean, if you want to, I can move down there, and you can go ahead and park.
Now, I want to make this as easy as possible.
All right, no problem.
What's your name, man?
I don't want to give that, sir.
Okay, well, I can tell you right now, unfortunately, you're being detained for disorderly conduct violations because they're saying that you're on the property, okay, and you're cursing at them.
You can read that and return it in 1 minute.
I just want your side
Nope,
of the
if you're
story.
saying disorderly conduct, if that's my charge, they can take me in. I'll go ahead and do a PPA, and they can go ahead and arrest me, and I'll go ahead and fight it in court. As I said, I got it all on camera.
Well, that's great. I'd rather you just.
I understand it, but it's not my due diligence to prove anything. It's their job to prove I was on.
Harder than it has to be, though?
I'm not making it harder. They called the cops. I didn't call you.
Right.
But you can read that, or you can return it. But it's explaining the law.
I know what the law is. I'm just
Okay, do you want to read it?
Story.
Do you want to read it? I told you my story. I was taking pictures out here. Now I can't have my property back. If you don't want to read it, that's fine.
Right now I'm paying attention to you.
That's fine. Am I being detained?
You are. I just told you. You're being
For what
detained.
crime?
For disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct.
You want to give them your side of the story now, or?
No, I'll wait till they tell you theirs.
Okay.
And if they tell you I was in their property, that's fine.
Right.
But I wasn't.
You want to take the seat for me then?
No, I will not sit.
Alright. Well, I'm going to put you in handcuffs then, okay?
I refuse. If you do, I will be pressing a lawsuit against you.
Okay, you're being detained right now.
If you put me in handcuffs, you'll be getting a lawsuit.
258, you might come over here for a second, please?
Matter of fact, let me do this. Let me call my lawyer then. Let me call my lawyer. He says I'm being detained.
Hey, he's being detained right now. I'm going to put him in handcuffs.
I'm calling my lawyer right now.
He's saying that he's gonna,
He didn't want to read my information.
Okay.
I told him before already. I've been up and down here, not on their property, on a public easement. It's up to you to do what you want to do, but I'm calling my lawyer.
They just said he was taking pictures. They confronted him. They kind of got back and forth verbally, but that's it. Okay.
So they're saying he didn't go on the property.
They said he was in the driveway. They didn't say he went past the gate or anything like that into the property.
Are they wanting to press charges?
No. They didn't.
No, they're not. Okay.
No.
That's a different story than I got.
Yeah.
Oh, they want to press charges? Okay. So what story did you get?
Well, they thought they were saying you were on their property and you wouldn't leave and you're blocking trucks.
I wasn't blocking anything.
Then,
that's a false report. They want to take me to jail.
To you right now, you start talking to somebody, you get a little more information as you talk to them. You know what I'm saying?
But
so that's what they finally said.
Can you answer me this?
Yeah.
Is it my job to answer your questions?
You don't have to answer my questions.
There we go. Now he says I'm detained for disorderly. Am I still being detained?
You don't want to press charges. You don't want to detain.
So if I wanted to press charges, they'd be detained, right? You put them in handcuffs the same way?
What's that?
You put them in the handcuffs the same way if they were detained, right?
If I was investigating them for doing some sort of offense, and they weren't complying with anything I asked them to do.
So as I was trying to give him, I am complying. But here's 3802.
I'm blocking a lane of traffic. Let's get out of here.
I tried to go ahead and let him. But if you want to read that for me?
I'm familiar with it.
So he doesn't want to get educated. That's the problem. Briggs, what's your badge number?
Let's get out of here.
What's your badge number, sir? I'm asking.
1447.
1447?
I gotta get out of the road, okay?
I asked you to get out of the roadway earlier. But I can't pass back here, sir.
Huh?
I can't pass back here.
Why?
That's their property.
Well,
see this? This is my safety sign. See that
that's
telephone
for the
pole?
roadway.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my easement.
Well, here's the thing. Anything else I can do for you? They're not wanting to press charges. They just say you didn't do anything. So.
Well, I didn't commit a crime, so it wouldn't matter. So, but do you understand 3802, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And that means I don't have to ID or anything until I have been lawfully arrested.
Yes, sir. I agree.
Okay.
I understand all
So that man, he detained me. I like the incident report since I was detained.
He never detained.
He said I got it on film, sir.
No, did he?
He said I was legally being detained. He can tell you right now.
Okay. He never put handcuffs on you or anything like that.
That doesn't matter. I was detained. I would like an incident report.
Okay.
So I can go ahead and press file a report against this officer for detaining me for no crime.
Okay. You'd have to go up to the South Lake Police Department.
No, sir. The report was on me. I can get that report right now. What's that incident number?
I'll tell you what, meet me at the station, I'll give it to you.
That's not how it works. Can you get your supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Can you get your supervisor, please?
Sure. Meet me at the station and I'll have you talk to
No, sir.
I'm not
I would
gonna
like
have
to
him come out here.
either give me an incident report or, I'm just going to have to, this is getting more difficult than what it has to be. Why are you so uptight? Why can't you just give me?
On the road right now.
Okay, I'm on an easement.
Okay, are you going to let me talk?
Go on.
You're asking me a question, let me answer. Okay? All right. When I was asking you questions earlier, trying to get your side of the story, you didn't want to share anything. I told you I was here to get your side of the story.
Right, and was I fleeing from you or fighting with you or anything put you in danger?
No, you weren't.
So why would you put me in handcuffs?
I told you were going to be detained. I asked you a simple thing was for my safety, and your safety, was to sit on the ground.
So here's the thing about sitting on the ground.
So
you don't know if I have medical issues, man.
Down, okay?
Can I get an incident report?
I told you go.
Can
to
I get an
the
incident
station.
report?
I'll look it up for you, okay?
Can I get an incident report?
Yes, you can.
Can I get it right here, right
At
now?
the police
Can I
station.
get the number right here? Because I know you can pull it up in your.
Write it down.
Yeah, if you want to write it down, or just tell me. Right here. 1 second.
You let me know when you're ready.
All right.
Can I get the incident number, please? It's gonna be 20SP
0SP
0137
0137 62.
All right.
That's it?
That's it.
All right. That's all I need to know, man.
Okay.
I don't know why you gotta make it difficult, man. Like, incident report. You're gonna be on my way.
That all you need,
sir?
You too, man.
That all you need?
That's all I wanted. Or did you have your name and badge number as well?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a business card? That's awesome, dude.
Card,
Dang, man, you fancy, dude. Here we go. All right, we all good?
All right, man. Look forward to the video, man. You have a good one.
All right. So, Blas Hernandez, I said hello.
All right, I will.
Yeah, he'll know what's up.
I got a bottle of water, man, if you want a bottle of water.
I just want to say, stay safe.
In video 3, police in Norton, Virginia stop a man in a private parking lot over unverified accusations of switching license plates. Despite no evidence, officers escalate with threats, violating his Fourth Amendment protection against unreasonable searches and due process rights. But what happens when the target is not a driver, but a frightened woman pulled over for missing plates? In video 4, a sergeant uses intimidation, yelling, and hand-on-gun behavior during a stop, while bystanders invoke the First Amendment right to record and expose the abuse in real time.
Sit in the car. Sir, you can videotape all you want. You just step back, okay? License to registration. No, 1 moment to see. Your driver's license ID. Sir, again, you can video all you need to. You don't need to tell me to be quiet. Sir, I need you to step forward.
Hola, señora. Yo hablo español también. Cálmense. ¿Qué está pasando?
No sé qué está pasando, no sé. Yo trabajo aquí, pero no sé, me paré, no sé por qué me paró.
¿Por qué está llorando?
Porque me gritó, porque no sé qué, me iba a llamar para que me traduciera, pero me gritó. Yo no sé por qué me gritó.
Estoy aquí para traducir, para ayudar, ¿ok? Necesito su licencia de manejar, también su aseguranza para el vehículo.
Ok, lo que pasa es que yo acabé de sacar el carro. Las aseguranzas las están haciendo hoy. Y venía para mi trabajo porque yo tengo que abrir a las 9 de la mañana.
Bueno, necesito su registro para el vehículo y aseguranza para el vehículo si tiene. ¿A dónde va? She wants to get.
Okay, sir, I need to have you back up.
No, I'm gonna stand right here.
Okay, you can stand. That's real good.
Look at this guy.
Look at this guy doing traffic stop. You're right. It's officer safety.
Look at this guy.
Yeah.
Officer safety. What law is that?
Huh?
What
It's
law
not law.
is that?
I'm just walking on the sidewalk.
Go deal with your traffic stop.
I
Get
have a
away from
partner.
me.
I can't speak Spanish and I haven't translated.
Who are you? What's your name? What's your name?
We're good to go here.
Look at this clown.
You're right. The clown with the video.
Such an idiot, dude.
Yeah.
I saw the way you were treating her too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
But you don't even know what's going on here, sir. So.
Check out this guy.
Yeah.
All right, we'll find out who he is. Is he a Taylorsville officer? I'm trying to, but he doesn't answer.
Well, I was trying to talk to you, sir. You didn't want to
Hey, I don't think your chief's gonna like you acting this way. I know your chief really good.
Yeah, what's his name then?
I'm not talking to you.
Yeah, so you don't know his name.
Sir.
Come.
There's another weed officer.
Just the three. Insurance and speed. Okay.
What's your name, sir? You're a public servant?
I wish I had time just to drive around and just videotape. It'd be kind of cool to have that kind of job.
I don't even know nothing about me.
It's a nice day though. I mean, it's a little cold this morning, isn't it? Yeah. It's, hope it warms up a little bit. I don't know what's up on before. Yeah. I was thinking about going out and buying a video camera today and see if I can just go around and check out the lights and the snow. I was thinking about cooking some bread tonight. Seeing if the crackers would go good with the cheese. Like I said, coming into Thanksgiving and all, I'm just grateful to be able to be here and make citizens. What's going on there? What's
camera, that's a violation of the First Amendment.
I'm pretty sure in public space you can walk where you want.
Yeah, you can't block my camera.
You're capable of walking wherever you like, sir.
The ignorance of the law is not an excuse, man.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more.
Man, this officer here. Do you want to identify, sir? Excuse me. You want to identify?
I'm a Taylorsville officer.
Can I get your name?
That's as far as it's going today.
I'm not talking to you.
That's okay.
No.
Can I get your name?
He just told you no.
No?
I don't have a reason to give it to you. Thank you, though.
I asked you for your name. You're supposed to identify yourself in the public.
I'm a Taylorsville police officer.
I can read that.
He's
Can I get your name?
TY-161. TY-161.
That's my badge number right there.
Can I get your name?
That's as far as it's going, sir. So,
Right there.
Can I get your
like I
name?
say, we're conducting
No.
an official investigation. You can interfere at this point. I've asked you to step back.
You're the one interfering with me. I was way back.
How am
You're
I
the one
interfering
in
with
front
you?
of my face.
Okay, sir. I appreciate that you've got to know and you understand the law, and I appreciate
Obviously,
that.
you don't appreciate it. You don't appreciate the First Amendment whatsoever.
Okay. Why don't you go read the First Amendment? If I restrict
Why
you or
don't you
hold
read
you...
it? Why don't you read
Exactly.
it?
Go with it.
I just can't believe Taylorsville back in this way.
Hey, Hood. You want to open your door? He wants to videotape your screen. I said Hood, sorry about that. But, they can't, it's actually protected information there, sir.
What law is that?
It's I'm just letting you know it's protected information.
What
So letting
law
the
is
officer
that?
know. No, I'm just letting you know that
Well,
that's protected.
I'll let
We're
you
letting
know that it's your job to protect that, not my job.
Yeah, it is. It is.
You want to start all over? You want to give me your name?
Oh, well, we've already started. When I first started talking to you, you didn't want to talk here, and you're actually not part of the situation. I asked you to step away. You chose not to.
I did step away. I wasn't close to you. I was way far away
Okay,
from you.
so actually...
You came up to me and you got in front of me.
Okay.
Didn't you?
That's
Didn't
all right.
you?
That's okay.
Didn't you?
That's okay.
It's not okay. Are you from Taylorsville?
Right now, I'm in West Valley.
I say,
If I cross the road over there, that's Taylorsville, and if I jump over here, I get over to West Valley over here.
You are? See how snotty you are? Simple question I'm asking. Are you from Taylorsville police? He was screaming at that lady. That's what she was crying. He was just yelling at her. She was asking for someone who speaks Spanish. He was just yelling at her. He did a good job. That's what you gotta do. Shut it down so no one see the information. That's what you gotta do. I've no complaint on this officer here. This officer here, the undercover one, fine complaint. This guy was yelling at her. That's what she was crying. She was scared. She scared the hell out of her. That's what he did. He just scared her. Probably gets a kick out of scaring women.
I'll ask around. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, but so far you being the only professional, can I get your name?
Back in his car.
I'm not talking to you, sir. I'm talking to him. Can I get your name and badge? I'll talk to your chief right now. I'm going to go over there and complain on you guys.
Okay.
Can I get your name?
Sir, I'm not really dealing with you. The traffic stop.
Your name. As a member of the public, I'm asking for a name.
Okay. My badge number is right here for you.
So you're not going to give me your name?
No.
Like you were professional. This guy's a jerk. Man, I thought he was going to beat her up. That's why I came out right away. I don't know. He was following her, and then I saw he was following her, so I came in here, and as soon as I pulled up, he had his hand on his gun, walking towards her. So violence toward her, but because he was yelling at her. That's why she started crying.
I was sitting inside and I told her I heard someone yelling. And I was like,
Yeah, if you guys ever see something like that, take out your phone and start recording.
Alright guys, look at how she's terrified right now. She is crying and crying. This guy, this officer, undercover guy, treated her like if she's a criminal, like she just committed a crime, that she just murdered somebody. I caught him walking towards her with his hand on his gun. Ok, ¿qué fue lo que pasó? ¿Qué fue lo que pasó? ¿Qué fue lo que él hizo a usted cuando llegó a su carro, a la puerta?
comenzó a gritarme como un loco y gríteme, me quitó el celular. Me decía que no puede, es que no sé inglés. Yo le decía, voy a llamar a alguien para que me traduzca, o sea, como que no es pánico. Comenzó, gríteme. Y me quitó el teléfono, me lo tiró y me decía que me sentara y que me metiera al carro. Pero me trató muy feo, me gritó muy feo. Me gritaba y yo le decía que esperara, que ya iba a llamar a alguien para que me traduciera y él me seguía gritando y me quitó el teléfono.
En algún momento él agarró a usted de la mano.
Sí, me agarró y me tiró a la silla del carro para que me sentara.
Él la puchó a usted.
Sí, para que me sentara.
So, él de su pecho.
Y me quitó de la mano y me quitó el teléfono y me lo tiró.
Y lo puso arriba
puso arriba del carro y yo le decía que me lo pasara y me decía que no. Y el otro policía llegó, me dijo que él no había parado porque el carro no tenía placa, pero es que él tiene el permiso ahí atrás, que él no lo vio, que él no había visto el permiso y el permiso está ahí atrás.
Entonces no le dieron ni ticket ni nada.
Sí.
¿Qué le dieron de qué?
Ahí lo tengo. Porque me dijo que venía en la Banger por a 70 cuando...
Oí que las personas que estaban en el restaurante aquí adentro hasta salieron para afuera porque
gritó muy duro.
Que estaba gritando muy duro, ¿verdad? Y entonces en ningún momento él le quiso ayudar ni nada.
Me gritaba y solo me gritaba.
Alright, so the reason why we did the traffic stop, it was because there's no license plate on the vehicle. Okay? But there's the permit right there. It's right there. Okay? So that was the reason for the traffic stop. And then after he saw that, he told her that she was going over the speed limit.
In video 4, a citizen records as a sergeant intimidates a woman during a traffic stop over missing plates. Despite a visible permit, the officer's aggressive posture, including hand-on-gun behavior, raises concerns about abuse of authority and First Amendment violations as bystanders document the encounter. But what happens when the camera turns toward the officers themselves? In video 5, a citizen calmly records a female state trooper during a stop, refusing to provide ID without cause, invoking the right to remain silent and challenging forced identification under the Fourth Amendment.
Car number 23236. 30-foot tall. Okay, 30 feet. Yeah, I think that's what I read too. Let's see what the plate number is on this thing. 000X446. Oh, I'm doing pretty good. How about yourself?
I don't mind you videoing, but if you can just stay back from my traffic stop, okay?
Oh, don't worry. I don't plan on interfering. I'm just getting your license plate number real quick. Yep. Some of you folks might recognize this cop, Ginger Cop, from another video of mine. If you haven't seen that yet, I'm going to put a little clip to that here in just a second. And if you want to watch that video, I'll make sure to leave a link at the end cards for you guys. So here you go, and then we'll get back to the traffic stop. You better get control of your old friend here before he gets hurt. I'm showing restraint. Go.
You know, with that being videotaped, could you understand having...
No, I don't understand, because this is my right to free press, and I don't understand people not liking that. So I don't understand that. I did nothing illegal, did nothing wrong. I'm a tourist here taking video. Him and his buddy attacked me.
Okay. Hey, I'm Sergeant Edwards, Mackinac City Police. How are you?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
All right. So, I kind of heard what you told my partner.
You're right, right.
All right, I got both sides of the story, okay? Because there is a complaint that's going on. Okay, we do need to ID everybody that's involved. At least, you don't have to give me your ID, that's fine, but I just need your name.
No.
Okay.
I'm going to invoke my right to remain silent. If you want my identification, I'll give it under threat of arrest and duress.
Okay.
And that's it at this point, because I did nothing wrong.
Okay.
I haven't broken the law, and
You
I know,
haven't,
and I know I'm not required to give out ID unless I broke the law.
Okay. All right, well, and I'll let you think that.
So make sure you go check that video out. It was a banger. Sit right here and relax for a minute. Just don't interfere. There's partners over there.